straight to the mail.
I have two drawers in my kitchen. This one is on the left and this one is on the right. So I think we all know which one I'll be working on today. And here's some bins I picked up at Walmart. The 7-pack was $5 and the 3-pack was like $2. And if I don't use all of it, if I didn't open it, I'll go ahead and return it. So I just started by pulling everything out of the drawer, and I'm organizing today into 3 piles. The first one is things that belong in the drawer. The second one is things that don't belong in the drawer. And the third pile is trash. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jenny and I make cleaning and organizing and decluttering and routine videos, just all kinds of things that help us provide clean and calm home environments for ourselves and our family. So if you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel to come hang out with me a little bit today. I am organizing this drawer in my kitchen because it is so messy and it's just been kind of driving me crazy, and I'm ready to get it clean and organized. And this is actually my first official subscriber choice video, so thank you so much to Iris Nicole for the video suggestion. And I still have plenty of other slots on my calendar. I think I've got like 9 spots left for subscriber choice videos. So if you're subscribed and you have something you would like me to film and you would like to see, just let me know in the comments and I would be happy to do that. And thank you so much again for watching. And the month of January has been all about decluttering and organizing on my channel. And you guys have seen me declutter and organize my entire garage, which took up 2 videos, and then also my master closet, which took me 3 days to complete and film. So these are large-scale decluttering projects that can be sort of overwhelming to even think about. And to be honest, these are projects that I had been putting off for a while. But something like this is good to remember, like just organizing a kitchen drawer. It took me less than 30 minutes while the baby was napping, and it still brought about that same like peace and satisfaction and calm into my home environment that a large-scale project would. So sometimes when we're trying to create these habits of decluttering and organizing and paring down our spaces and making them more easy to use and also aesthetically pleasing, it's just good to remember that baby steps are really important. Start small and you still get big results. And if you missed any of my decluttering videos that I had just put up this month, I'm gonna go ahead and link them at the end of the video. It's my Declutter and Organize playlist, so I hope you guys will check that out. And of course, if you're not subscribed and you like this kind of content, I would love for you to join my YouTube family and subscribe today. So thank you so much again for stopping by my channel. And here I am just cleaning out the inside of the drawer. And if you see my videos before, you're not gonna be surprised that I'm using a baby wipe. That's kind of one of my go-to quick cleaners. So I'm just kind of wiping out the inside of the drawer and making sure it's clean before I put the organizers in. And here I'm just beginning to place all the different bins into the drawer to see how they fit and how they're going to work in this space. And this is the part that is kind of a wild card. You never know how they're gonna fit in there. Everybody's drawers are gonna be different dimensions, different size. And so the only way to know is just to start working, and you just kind of put them in there and try to use your best spatial orientation skills that you have. Like, try to remember when you were younger and you were playing Tetris, if you're as old as me, which you probably aren't, but I used to love playing Tetris, and I felt like I was playing Tetris trying to get all these little bins into this drawer to fit right. And honestly, at some point I almost wanted to give up because it just seemed like they were not going to fit, but do not give up. They usually will fit some kind of way. And so I just kept pressing on and trying to figure it out, and I eventually was able to hit on a good fit. And for those of you who are still with me in this video, comment the word Tetris.
Cover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
And now that I finally found a good fit for the bins, I'm gonna go ahead and throw away the trash from the trash pile and put away everything that I pulled out of the drawer that didn't belong there. And here are the leftover bins that I didn't use, and since I opened them all up to get a good variety, I decided to just keep them and put them in my garage to store. And now we finally get to the fun part. So this is kind of like my planning drawer in my kitchen. I don't have an office, so I use this big drawer as like a planning drawer, and I keep supplies for weekly planning, grocery, meal planning, YouTube planning, anything you can think of. And so I'm just loading it up and trying to make it look as nice as I can. I am so happy with the way this drawer came out. It is so much easier to use now. I can see everything in it, and it just makes me so happy to know that it's organized, it looks nice, and it's much easier to use. For some more motivation, you can click here on the left for my latest cleaning video, or on the right for my Declutter and Organize playlist. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you on the next one.
Beyond gravel.